In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you 3 tips to keep in mind when you are writing your affirmations. One of the most powerful tools that you can use to create a more fulfilling life for yourself is affirmations. Unfortunately, many people develop statements that end up locking them into the behaviors and circumstances that they are trying to change. Here are 3 tips for you to keep in mind when you are writing your affirmations. Tip number 1. Focus on ideas. When you sit down and write your affirmations, take some time to think about the areas in your life that you want to improve upon. Consider how you want your life to be. Carefully consider each of the ideas and write down a few positive statements that can be used for each category of your life. You want to make sure that you focus on what you want rather than what you don't want. Tip number 2. Keep them simple and in the present tense. The affirmations that you create should be simple and easy for you to remember. If you make your affirmations too tricky for you to remember, you'll use that as an excuse not to say them daily, and will eventually forget about them. Your affirmations work best when you phrase them in the present tense. For example, if you want a new car, you would phrase your affirmation as, "I now have a new car," rather than, "I'm going to have a new car." Tip number 3. They should be filled with emotion. The more positive emotion that you can put into your affirmation when you say them, the quicker you will start to see results. When you are reciting your affirmation, you have to feel it and allow yourself to fill up with positive emotions. The longer you use affirmations in your daily life, the more important this becomes. After a time, it can feel as though you are just saying them to say them. To keep your energy high and your affirmations useful, you need to track your results and make a note of any changes in your life since you started using them. Reciting affirmations daily can help you change your mindset and improve your life. Follow these tips when writing your affirmations, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your life starts to change.